We had a great father-son hunt. It was absolutely awesome. Doubled up on pigs. Let me show you a little bit about the equipment we were using. Got our first kill on the new thermal, matched up with a 243 Browning BAR, Hell's Canyon edition. We were using a Hornady, full bore, 80 grain, polymer tip. Man, awesome round. Trail cameras, I'm telling you, we knew exactly where the hogs were coming in. They read the playbook perfectly. Let me tell you a little bit about the video. So you'll see on the video, 1, 2, 3 shoot. We shot at the same time. Both hogs were down. There was about 5 or 6 hogs under the feeder when we shot. They ran off, but they came back. If you'll look at the top right-hand corner of the video, while we were celebrating, one of the biggest hog came back through the field. So I told Clay to go ahead and shoot him. He was trying to get on him. You'll see him in my scope. I didn't pull the trigger, probably should have, but made for an exciting hunt. We had a blast. Wanted to share the video on YouTube with you guys. Just had an absolute great hunt. Enjoy the video. Hey, thanks for watching.
That's the way it's supposed to work.
That was perfect.
That was the way it's supposed to work.
Did you get on video?
Oh yeah. Yeah, still video.
That was
Pretty good.
alright.
There's another.
Really?
There's another.
Coming in?
To your left.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
Getting close. Better get on him, I'm gonna shoot him. Good shot. That's gonna make a good video right there.
Did I get him?
No. That'd be a negative.